One sunny Saturday morning, four boys named Tom, Sam, Jack, and Max gathered in Tom's living room. They were excited because it was their friend Ben's birthday. Ben didn't know that his friends were planning a big surprise for him. "Let's make this the best birthday ever," Tom said. The others nodded with big smiles. They had saved some money and decided to buy everything they needed for the party. First, they made a list. Tom wrote it down on a piece of paper. 1. Balloons 2. Cake 3. Snacks 4. Drinks 5. Gifts 6. Decorations. "Okay, let's go," said Sam, and they headed to the store. When they arrived at the store, they went straight to the party section. There were so many colourful balloons. "How about these blue ones? Ben loves blue," said Jack. Everyone agreed and put a pack of blue balloons in their basket. Next, they needed a cake. They walked to the bakery section. There were big cakes, small cakes, chocolate cakes, and fruit cakes. "Which one should we get?" Max asked. After a few minutes of discussion, they chose a big chocolate cake with colourful sprinkles. It looked delicious. Now it was time to buy some snacks. They picked out bags of chips, cookies, and candy. "Ben will love these," said Tom, adding the snacks to the basket. For drinks, they chose a big bottle of orange juice and some cans of soda. "This should be enough," said Sam, carrying the drinks carefully. Next on the list were gifts. They didn't have much money left, so they decided to get something small but special. They found a cool toy car that they knew Ben would love. "Perfect," said Jack, and they added it to their basket. Finally, they needed decorations. They bought some colourful streamers and a big Happy Birthday banner. "This will make the room look great," said Max. With everything on their list checked off, they went to the checkout counter. The cashier smiled at them. "Planning a party?" she asked. "Yes, it's for our friend," said Tom proudly. After paying for everything, the boys hurried back to Tom's house. They wanted to decorate and set up the party before Ben arrived. They blew up the balloons, hung the banner, and put out the snacks and drinks. The cake was placed in the centre of the table. Just as they finished, there was a knock at the door. "It's Ben," whispered Sam. They quickly hid and waited for him to come in. When Ben walked in, they all jumped out and shouted, "Surprise! Happy birthday, Ben!" Ben's eyes went wide with happiness. "Wow, thank you so much, guys," he said, smiling from ear to ear. The boys had a wonderful time at the party. They played games, ate cake, and laughed a lot. Ben loved his toy car and thanked his friends again and again. That day, the boys learned that working together and planning carefully could create the best surprises. It was a birthday Ben would never forget, and their friendship grew even stronger.